Welcome one and all to the Sounds of Summer talent show presented by Jjazz Hands for Autism and Dreams for Kids DC.
Jjazz Hands is a talent advocacy group. We are here to help advocate for your talents. If you're a musician who has autism, we're here for you.
At Dreams for Kids DC, our mission is to empower youth with physical and developmental disabilities through different types of programming.
Hi, everyone. My name is Cheryl K. I am so honored to be one of the judges today. I sang on the movie Crazy Rich Asians by Warner Brothers Pictures. It is a pleasure to be here with all of you today.
I'm Philip Bailey. I'm the lead singer, writer, and the boss of Earth, Wind, and Fire.
Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move.
You're not gonna stay around. Oh, oh, oh. After the love has gone.
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me?
Every little thing that I do, baby, I'm feeling so cool.
Sugar, yes please, would you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love, a little sympathy.
I never went boating, don't get there floating, and sometimes I get so scared of what I can understand. But here I am, next to you. Your eyes up, rise like the day. Your eyes up, rise unafraid. Oh, rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Some things I like to do, some things I felt with you. Some things I like to do, some things I felt with you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Thank you to both of our judges. Thank you to all 9 of our performers from Jjazz Hands for Autism and Dreams for Kids DC. In third place, we have Mr. Jacob Varkes from Dreams for Kids. In second place, we have Miss Cece from Jjazz Hands for Autism. The winner is, let me put the mic down and give myself a drum roll. It is Mr. Dominique Brown from Jjazz Hands for Autism. Thank you once again to our judges. Thank you to everybody, all of our attendees, everybody that performed.